Alright everybody, so I just want to say one more thing before I go. I did create an Instagram account. It is YT, and then my same username as my YouTube channel, Austin Ace. I use that for people to send me messages on questions that they don't want to do in the comments on YouTube, or they don't have an account so they can't comment, or they want to send me a video of what something sounds like to see if I know the answer. I did create that account for you guys, so don't forget to subscribe, or not subscribe, to follow me on that. What's up everybody? Sorry I haven't posted anything in a while. I've been caught up with life, a combination of school, work, school, but I did receive a package in the mail right here, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing on this today. We're going to be doing this unboxing. I've been waiting for this package for a little while now, and I just saw it at the doorstep yesterday, but I haven't done anything to it yet. I haven't opened it, I haven't checked it out. This is going to be the first time looking at it, see if, I don't even know if it's broken or anything. I'll put in the description where I bought this, off of what site, and I'll even tell you what it is once I open it up. So, I believe I can just go right across the top. Alright. So in this package, there's just bubble wrap. All I ordered was bubble wrap. I'm just joking. So it came with a couple different things. So it came with this bag, and it came with this bag. I'm not going to show it this yet until I take this out. So in this bag is my new custom grill that I'm going to be modifying for my truck. I don't think there's anything else in there. So far it doesn't look broken. That's just plastic. Alright, so this is my new custom grill. This is what I wanted. What I plan on doing, if I can get this plastic off, I'm going to be scanning this whole bracket in the middle, right here, this whole piece, and I'm going to be 3D printing a custom bracket that fits inside here, because I'm not going to do what is supposed to put I'm not going to put what's supposed to go here, which is what was in this bag. It says Tacoma, which I'll pull it out right now, right there. It's like a metallic gray. There's the 2 O's, 2 T's, looks like 2 A's and 1 M. Oh no, A, Y, and 2 O's. Yeah. And then they come with all of the screws right there. I don't think anything else comes with. Nope. And all those screws screw into here. So this would be the Y. But yeah, so you would spell out Toyota straight across here, and then you screw it in on the back. And then that other bag that you guys saw, that other bag, which is this one right here, has amber LED lights, or the Raptor lights, whatever you want to call them. So it comes with the wiring harness, which plugs straight to my battery. It looks like my terminals for my battery, I believe. I don't know. And then these are the Raptor lights, which this end plugs into the end on this, and that's what they look like. But this is what it would look like that. And these I can put anywhere I want. So let's say I want to do right across the top right here. I just put it in, and I just push it in, and it snaps in right there. So I can put it right there. I can put it down here. I can put it all the way in this. I can put it wherever I want to put it. It just snaps in like little clips on the corners. And I don't know if 100% if I'm going to put these on. I might wait till the end just to see what it looks like on my truck. Right now, personally, I feel like on the site it said that this would fit my truck. I have a 2020 Toyota Tacoma SR5, yes, with TRD headlights. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you go on to the top left link right here in the corner, that's a link going straight to one of my previous videos where I made custom headlights. And I'm going to grab a tape measure, and I'm going to measure the widest parts on this grill. So when I mean widest part, I mean the part that sticks out the most. So this corner right here, and then it would be the same thing on the very top. The reason I'm going to do that is because I'm not 100% sure if this would fit my truck. Granted, it did say online that it would fit my truck, that there would be no issues. It fits all the Toyota Tacomas from 2016 to 2022, I believe. And then it also shows it is compatible with SR5, TRD, TRD Pro, SR, and I think there might be one more. I'm not 100% sure. I'll look at it later on my phone. But I'm going to measure those 2 points with the tape measure, and then I'm going to go out to my truck, and then I'll also measure from corner to corner on my current grill to see if it's the same size. I think it might be the same size, but this one just looks a little bit longer. I don't know if that's because if I'm looking at my truck, it has because my truck's Barcelona red. It has that red piece all the way around, so it might make it look bigger. I don't know. And if you guys don't know what I mean, I'm talking about how right here, I don't know if it's gonna pick up. It might be too bright. Oh, around the black right here is another red piece that comes off, and it's attached to this grill. And to attach this grill, if this fits my truck, all you would do is you take off all these foam pieces, and then once you take your grill off your current grill, you have to separate a couple different things. The first thing you have to take off is the sensor if your truck is equipped with it, which mine is. So I bought the one with the sensor garnish, which it would fit right inside this square right here. And then all these plastic pieces right here. In my previous videos, I showed you guys when I was taking apart my truck for my custom headlights. It's the same exact thing. The little one side sticks up, so you push it down and then you can pull it out. I have to do that to that red part that goes all the way around the grill, and then that red part should snap in over this. And then I have to take apart the sensor that's on my truck now from that front grill, and I screw it into this part right here on this truck, or on this grill. I have heard a couple different people that upgrade their trucks, their bump grills, like how I am. Their garnish, or their sensor, which this one looks like it's fine, they do tell you to take like a tiny thin washer, or 2 of them, and put it underneath the screw holes to angle the sensor up a little bit. Because right now, I'm gonna use my phone as my sensor on my truck. Right now it's in the center of my grill, but now because I'm gonna be installing this one moves it from the center down to the bottom. So some people put a washer on the top to position it up a little bit. So instead of it being like this right in the middle of the grill, now I'm gonna get all the way down here, but now it might be just reading close to the ground. So they put 2 washers on the bottom, so to position it up a little bit, so it still keeps that range as if it was in the middle of the grill. So I'm gonna measure this real quick, and then I'll tell you the measurement, and then I will measure what's on my truck now. So it looks to be 40 inches exactly from that point to that point. So I'm gonna wrap this back up because I'm not installing it right now. I'm gonna wrap this back up in this bubble wrap and everything, put it back in the box, and then I'm gonna put it aside so it doesn't get damaged. And then once I have the custom bracket, which I'm gonna be making a custom bracket for this for my truck, once I have that 3D printed, then I will install this on my truck.